How to find Loop Me effect on TikTok. Welcome back to the Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to get the Loop Me effect on TikTok. Apparently, TikTok has banned this effect as it's causing injuries to people. When showing this to an unknown person, the person basically falls down and has an injury. I tried to find it on my iPhone and an Android phone but was not successful until I found a way on how to get this effect. On an Android phone, open the TikTok app. Now tap on the search at the top right. Search for Loop Me. Here you'll see all the videos which have used the Loop Me effect on their videos. Scroll through some of the videos, and if you look at the bottom left of that video, you'll see Loop Me effect. Tap on it. This will then take you to the Loop Me effect page. I managed to favorite it so it does not disappear from my screen. Now tapping on Try this effect will let you use the effect. As soon as TikTok's recording screen appears, the effect will start. Now record your video as normal and then post it on TikTok. Now if this process does not work, then try the link in the description down below. This should take you to the Loop Me effect page on TikTok. And that is how to get the Loop Me effect on TikTok. If you have made it to the end of this video, then please hit the like button and please subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.